An abundance of clouds overhead today, and they're still out there now, and they'll be with us probably the next few days. It may be, well, Sunday afternoon before we get back to a whole lot of sunshine. Tomorrow with the clouds will be warm, but then Friday and Saturday with the clouds won't be warm at all. This is Future Track, and it keeps the clouds around, keeps it cool tonight. And then during the daytime, it's mostly cloudy, maybe a little sun shining through from time to time, but not very much. Clouds are going to dominate your day tomorrow again, but the wind will be out of the south. With a southerly wind, we try to warm temperatures up just a little bit, probably back in the 70s, bring humidity back up just a little bit, but still a relatively comfortable day across the region. But then tomorrow night, front comes through, and when that happens, the rain breaks out. Behind the front, the showers, mostly light rain and drizzle, but there's just a bunch of it on Friday, and there could actually be periods of reasonable rain. We're looking at perhaps an inch between tomorrow night and Saturday across much of the valley, so this could be a nice rain for a lot of us. Friday evening, while it may taper off, the consistent, continuous rain may taper off, I think we'll still see periods of showers because there's going to be a little disturbances kind of moving through from time to time from Friday into Saturday. So even though it won't be continuous rain, there will probably be periods of rain. And then Saturday night and Sunday, it begins to taper off, and maybe Sunday we get back to some sunshine. But late tomorrow evening is our first chance for showers, probably well after sunset. And then Friday, just all day, light rain and drizzle around the area. And again, it adds up over the period of Thursday night to Saturday. You're looking at widespread an inch, some places maybe 2 inches. Saturday showers possible again, but I think by Saturday night they begin to fade away, and by Sunday we should get some sunshine back in here. Right now temperatures are holding at about 60 or so across the area, 59 in Port Isabel. Overnight tonight we don't drop a whole lot. We end up in the 50s across most of the area. This morning we were 41. So a whole lot warmer tomorrow morning than what it was this morning. And tomorrow afternoon, a little warmer than this afternoon, back in the mid-70s. But again, clouds will dominate. It'll be a mostly cloudy day across the region again tomorrow. The next 3 days is where you see the change. 76 tomorrow, above average. Front comes in tomorrow night and only 52 on Friday and falling into the 40s during the afternoon. And then we'll only rebound to 56 on Saturday. So count on a couple of chilly days ahead, and with that strong north wind, which is going to be pretty gusty, especially on Friday into Friday night, it's going to feel much colder than it is with rain falling. It'll be kind of messy out there once again. Rest of Texas tonight, you can tell no front in most of the state, but look at Dalhart, now down to 47. While everybody else 50s and 60s across the area. The front just moving into Texas as we speak. You kind of make it out on the satellite right across here. But for us, it's all these clouds. There's an upward disturbance way back over here, and that's grabbing all this Pacific moisture and feeding it right in on top of us. It will continue to do that. There's the low over there. Here's the front to the north. Front slides in tomorrow night. It goes down under the warm, humid air that's here. And then that low sits there. Little pieces of energy from that slide across us Friday into Saturday. And every time a little piece of that energy sneaks across the top of us, it gives us another wave of rain. Again, for the most part, it's light to moderate, but every once in a while it might actually rain pretty good. Finally, by Saturday, the low begins to lift out, and by Sunday, it's way to the north and out of the picture, but it causes rain to the north. Could be a lingering shower here, but I think we start to dry out after that. You may have noticed another low off the west coast. That could keep some clouds here into next week as well, instead of a clear blue sky. If you head to the coast in the morning, 73 to start the day. The UV is moderate, rip current risk is low. Surf temperature now cool 65 degrees. Air temperature tomorrow afternoon touches the 70s, even at the coast. Northeast winds about 5 miles an hour late in the day. Here are the tides, 6:18 in the morning, 3:02 in the afternoon. Seas 1 to 3 feet. The bay is smooth. The bay temperature at a chilly 57. So for tonight, we bottom out at 55, mainly cloudy, not as cool as the last couple of nights. Winds are light and variable. Then tomorrow, a little bit warmer, up to 76, but don't count on much sunshine tomorrow. The next 7 days, we go from warm tomorrow to downright chilly Friday and Saturday. And again, 52 doesn't look bad, but we will fall into the 40s with strong winds and some rain, so it's going to feel plenty chilly. Saturday might be a little better, but not a lot. And then by Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we see at least a little bit of sunshine, still a few clouds around, temperatures back into the low 70s. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.